A loud bang followed by a garage door that will not lift evenly can mean a spring or cable failed, and the safest first move is to stop operating the door. Keep children, pets, vehicles, and people away from the opening. Do not stand or walk under a partly open door. If the door is hanging crooked or appears ready to fall, leave the area and keep access blocked. Disconnecting the opener does not make a heavy door safe. Do not pull the emergency release while the door is open or unsupported, and do not try to lift the door by hand. A failed spring can leave the full door weight uncontrolled. From a distance, note a visible gap in the spring above the door, a loose cable, a tilted bottom edge, or an opener that moves without lifting the door. Do not touch, wind, clamp, cut, or adjust springs, cables, drums, or brackets. If a vehicle is trapped, resist improvised lifting with people, jacks, or boards. Use another exit and wait for trained help. Photograph the complete door and hardware from outside the travel path if that can be done safely. A qualified service visit should identify the failed part, check door balance and paired components, and explain the repair before operation resumes. Ask whether any other worn hardware was observed rather than accepting an unsupported full replacement claim. To locate a garage door service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.